Hello, I am Lemon, and I help support hydration and digestion in the morning, which helps your body smoothly start using nutrients for energy. Hello, I am Grapefruit, and I support your metabolism with refreshing nutrients, making me a great choice earlier in the day.
These talking fruits, talking vegetables, talking health foods, and even talking everyday objects AI videos are going insanely viral right now. And yes, this is the current trend 26. This is not some old trend. Let me show you something that should scare you a bit about this. Now, this is an Instagram account called Dr. Ginger Protocol, and it just made only 10 posts, has gotten almost 175k followers with 9 million views, 1.3 million views, 165k views on Reel. And this one is called Explaining Everything, has made only 106 posts and has gained over 483k followers, amassing over 68.7k views, 21.8k views, 54.6k views. The last one is called the Live Longer Lab, just made over 47 posts and has gotten 716k followers, getting almost 21.9 million views, 17.7 to 16 million views, guys. Different Instagram accounts that are doing this and have posted just within a short period of time. And these videos are gaining over millions of views on Facebook, Instagram, and the rest. You can do the exact thing 100% free, but there are some important things that you need to know, and only if you know this, you will do it correctly. So let me show you exactly how you can go ahead and create this. So I made my prompt as usual and everything is here. You're going to be using it for this video from the beginning to the end. So the first stuff is the idea we are going to be talking about. Now I have made over 2,000 viral video ideas you can use to make your videos in this document over here, and I'll be keeping that document link in the Telegram community. And thank you all for joining already. We have over 2,000 viral video idea already made available that you can just copy and use. But should in case you don't want to use these ideas, then you can go ahead and copy this first prompt over here. Once you copy the first prompt, come over to ChatGPT and paste over here. Now you can replace the number of ideas you want with using this 10 and replace it to any number you want at all. So I'm going to be using this 10, so let us go ahead. So within few seconds, ChatGPT will give you topics that are going to be helping you. For instance, fruits that help your body burn fat for energy. That's another topic. And then for the tutorial sake, I'm going to be using this first topic, but I just given us over 10 viral topics. Now these topics needs to be viral. They don't need to be nice. They don't need to be informative. They need to be viral. They need to cause curiosity. They need to be like, hey, wait, I need to check out this video. That is how you get it done. So, alright, so this is the next one. Just copy this one over here. We need to get a script for our video. So we do not do it manually. Just copy that prompt made available. Paste the prompt over here. Now choose any of the topic here that you want to use. Copy it over and then replace this topic holder bar or this idea. Paste it over there, guys. So once you have done that, body burn fat for energy inside the body, just smash it. Begin to give you everything you need to know. Pay close attention to the lemon. You see it has an explanation. For example, from scene 1, hello, I am Lemon and I help support hydration and digestion in the morning, which helps your body smoothly start using nutrients for energy. At this point, we now have our script, we now have our structure, we now have clarity, and the next step is the execution part, and this is the most important part. Now we have everything ready for retention. Now, if you miss one part of this, you're going to be going into a lot of confusion. Now, watch this clearly. Right, so the next one we're going to be using is called the image to video prompt. This is over here. So this is what is going to be giving our video the balance it needs. So just send it immediately. So we have generated our text to image and our image to video prompt from the scene 1 down to the very last one, which is the scene 2, guys. So how to go ahead and proceed with this is very easy. So just go ahead and copy the first one. I'll head on to Google Gemini over here and then paste this image prompt. Now this is a text to image prompt. Select the image to keep it on the Pro and then hit on. Now within a few seconds, Gemini will start processing your image. Now we have our first generation over here. So let us go ahead and download this, guys. Moving on, you can go ahead using the same copy and paste method. You can generate all the other scene like I did. Next up, head on to Grok with that and then come to the imaging box and upload that first image that you just got over there and open it. So go back to ChatGPT. Using the same instruction, use the image to video prompt, copy the scene one over here and come back to the Grok. So paste under the customized video box. Now Grok is actually limited. So that whenever you hit that limit, you go ahead and use a temporary mode to push up your limit. Our image to video prompt and it has a dialogue inclusive. You can go ahead and do some setting, 6 seconds and the rest. So let us go ahead and smash it and see what Grok processes for us. So guys, our first scene has been created and let us take a quick preview.
Hello, I am Lemon, and I help support hydration and digestion in the morning, which helps your body smoothly start using nutrients for energy.
Alright, so we have that and we go ahead and save our video. So we have generated lots. Now we have a viral topic, a good structure, clarity, AI image, and AI clips. But wait, we are not interesting part of this. What I'm going to be doing right here are the two most important things, and this is what determines if someone stop scrolling or keep scrolling. And this is called cover image intro scene. So let us go ahead and copy this prompt over here, paste it. Alright, so we have generated all our clips. Remember, within a few seconds, ChatGPT will start generating our cover, text to image prompt. Now remember, you have to enter your topic into the topic placeholder, but ChatGPT here and is generating in reverse to our topic, guys. Alright, so let us create the cover image, copy the cover image prompt, head back to Google Gemini, paste it over here. Okay, so now smash it. Let us go ahead and so we now have our cover image clean and has everything. Let us go ahead and download our cover image and then next up head back to ChatGPT. We are going to be doing our cover image video prompt. So copy it over here. So head back to Grok and come to the imagine. I have generated over 8 scenes. I have not still the limit of my generation. So over here, put it and determines if someone is going to keep scrolling or going to stop. I need to make everything curiosity driving to hold that massive attention that we all need. So our cover image has been created. Let us preview now.
We are the metabolism monsters.
Alright, so let us go ahead and download this as well. Now next up, let us head to CapCut over here and start off with the final step of our project. Some basic editing that you need to take note of over here. I changed aspect ratio to fit the reels. You can see across all the scene now, they are now on different aspect ratio. And then we are working with the transition. You're going to be using the mix, use the mix fill up. Okay, so we have mixed the transition. Now, sometimes you need to go ahead and add the whoosh sound effect. So you can just go ahead and type it. Now, this just keeps retention, keeps audience glued to the screen. It's not something really something that you must do. So you can just get the sound and add them over here and add across all your stuff. So when working with the transition, always keep it at 0.5 changing phase, guys. So let us preview our whole video and see if it really matches what we want.
Hello, I am Lemon, and I help support hydration and digestion in the morning, which helps your body smoothly start using nutrients for energy. Hello, I am Grapefruit, and I support your metabolism with refreshing nutrients, making me a great choice earlier in the day. Hello, I am Avocado, and my healthy fats help you stay full and support steady energy, especially with breakfast or lunch.
Export our video, load. This is our video, so we are going to rename our video. We then go ahead and export, and our video is now. If you actually watch this video and enjoy it, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates like this. See you all next time.